Ah boy, welcome to the channel. Now people, tell me where Hauto did that thing.
Bumbo class.
Peace out. Big up, man. Big fella. No.
Guys, come here, come. Ten road.
Now people, as you can clearly see, Hauto and him friend them, they did in the middle of a four-way match. Now in the middle of the antics, Hauto, him decide to climb up on cabinet. See there, cabinet fall over, we can't hear from Hauto. People don't check for Hauto for me, do.
I just some question never asked him, you know. Never asked him how him why him, when him say mom, him don't know mama run the world. What he mean?
Alright, so Capleton, the king of fire, one of the Shango them, you have some burning questions with Beenie Man. You know, Beenie Man would have sing some song in the past and Capleton don't really understand some of the lines, so you want Beenie Man to clear it up. Alright, we'll listen and react to this now and get back to the video.
I just some question never asked him, you know. Never asked him how him why him, when him say mom, him don't know mama run the world. What he mean? And you're gonna find out to your girl named Earl. When him says all about Romy and him Wara sister Naomi, what he mean? Because music have a topic, you know, it have a body and it also have a moral. You say me as a king, that mean you have to know what you have said. Because if I DJ a song about a man and a woman, it has to be all about the woman, it can't be all about the man. Into the two of them claims, so them know me, you know what is claim? Alright. I want to ask him again, sir. When him say him special attack, is when him in him wig and him frock. When mean is a bad man tune him a do. Because I know wig and frock man put on and go slow man. Man just like mad man go slow man. Same way. So me I say king. When him say, how can I make love to a fella in a rush? Passing the key.
Yeah, my brethren.
So me I say.
My brethren, keep.
So Beenie, if you have no time out of your busy schedule, you can go link up Capleton and see if you can answer them questions. Is in?
Guys, if we're not over it. Bumbo class. Hold on. Me pussy. Hauto! I want to Hauto! Hauto, remember your belly beginner! Me pussy clan. Him finger move. Thank you, Jesus. Hauto! Jesus Christ. Hauto, you good? You know, so one time I nearly drop and broke my spine. Can you call me? Oh, hold on.
Tell me something about this. Tell me something about no. Can't wait to have food. What is not broke? Everything good. Ay.
I want to pick up cold. Hauto! I wish Pa broke. Hauto, you sure you go try get up? Oh my God. This serious, you know?
Amy.
Jesus Christ.